Welcome to our second lesson about the sweep command. Let's begin by creating a profile. We'll use the spline tool. And let's close it. Right-click, done. Finish the sketch. Now let's create a path. It'll be on the XZ plane. Right-click, New Sketch. Let's take a normal to sketch view. And just pan a little bit. Now before we activate the spline tool again, I'm going to use the Project Geometry tool to project this point here. Select our point. Having done so, I'll be able to snap the end of the spline to this point. Let's place a couple more spline points. Right-click, Create, and right-click and Done. Click Finish Sketch. Let's insert one more sketch. Right-click on the XZ plane, New Sketch. This sketch I'm going to use as a guide rail. I'm using the spline again. Right-click, Create, and right-click, Done. Let's finish the sketch. Now we're ready to activate the sweep tool. The profile is already pre-selected. I'm going to select the path now. There we go. Sweep type, it'll be path and guide rail. And now we select the guide rail. We can also specify profile scaling in the X and Y direction, the X direction, or none. Let's scale in the X and Y directions and click OK. And here is our sweep feature. This concludes our second lesson about the sweep tool.